To get in your PlayStation is pretty simple. Just press in right here and pull out. It's real simple, folks, and all you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And hopefully, if you got a old laptop lying around, you might just have you a hard drive and you don't have to go buy another. Just undo this little screw right here with the Phillips head screwdriver, and the hard drive will simply pull out.
I know. Look, I'm going up north, unless you never want to see me again. Either get in this car right now and come with me.
We're gonna be in court next week for sense.
Here is my old laptop that's been lying around. The screen cracked on it, is why it's no longer any good, but the hard drive is. So I will be using the hard drive inside of this laptop. And now, yeah, I got other videos on all the good, useful things that old laptops can be good for. If you want to just search around in one of these corners of this screen, it should pop up at the end, or you can just look it up on my channel. And I might throw a link at the bottom, I don't know. But here we go, here's the hard drive.
Take the scissors and go around the circle, or the
Yeah,
fork or
voila.
spoon at the top.
Now these are some screws you will have to undo here again to get the hard drive in the tray that fits inside the PlayStation, but these are simple little Phillips head screwdrivers as well.